Hello everyone, my name is Vanshika. I am second year student of SRM IHM Sonipat. Today I am going to make aloe vera naan with foxtrot makhani and beetroot sauce. So let's start. Ingredients are as followed: beetroot water, chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, green chilies, garlic and ginger, curry leaves, aloe vera and carbonated water, frozen peas, red chili powder, kitchen powder, turmeric powder, boiled beetroot, fenugreek dried leaves और कसूरी मेथी, fox nuts और मखानास, salt, cumin seeds, and for beetroot sauce we need chopped tomatoes, chopped green chilies, ginger garlic paste and oil. So let's start. So now we have already kneaded the dough, in which we have taken half kg of flour and we have made the dough with the carbonated water, or you can also say soda. After kneading the dough, we have kept the dough for the fermentation process for 2 to 3 hours, and we have added the main key ingredient of our dish was aloe vera gel, which we have added half cup in the dough as it will be healthy. So now we will make the foxtrot makhani. So now we will switch on the flame and we will add oil. So now we will add green chilies and we'll mix it well. After that we will add chopped ginger and garlic in it and we'll let them saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Now we will add sliced onions in it and we'll saute them until they get soft. Now you can see as our onions are soft and mushy, so now we will add tomatoes in it and we'll mix them properly. Now you can see our mixture has been sorted. We will not add any masala because we will make the puree of this mixture. Now we will switch off the flame. So we will keep it aside till the time it gets cool. We will make the beetroot sauce. So for beetroot sauce we need chopped tomatoes, chopped green chilies, ginger garlic paste, and we have taken boiled beetroot. Then we will add salt according to taste, and at last we will add hung curd. As we have added beetroot, it is a great source of fiber and it also have the potential to fight the cancer. So now we will blend the mixture and make the sauce of it. Now we have blended the mixture into puree. Now we will add the foxnut or makhana for frying. As foxnut are rich source of protein and vitamin, it also has anti-aging properties. It reduces kidney problem also. Now we will prepare the tadka for our foxtrot makhani. So now I will switch on the flame. You can see that I have already added the oil. Now we will add the cumin seeds in it. We will mix it properly. Now we will add the curry leaves. As we have added curry leaves, it has many health benefits as it reduces the stress, heals wounds, and it also helps for the persons who are suffering from diabetes. Now we will add the masala or the puree we have blended. And we will mix it properly so that it doesn't get stick. Now we will add red chili powder in it 1 tablespoon. And mix it well. Then we will add half tablespoon of turmeric powder, as it is an antioxidant. After that we will add kitchen masala, 1 tablespoon. Now we will mix it well. You can see. Now we will add the dry fennel leaves or kasuri methi, but we have to keep in mind while adding this that we have to add it like this, as it will enhance the flavor. Now we will add salt according to taste and mix it well. Now we will add the frozen peas in it. So now we will add the beetroot water, in which we have boiled the beetroot. Now you can see the consistency. If more water required, you can add more. Now we will add the foxglove or makhanas, as they are rich in proteins and calcium, and they also treat anti-aging properties. So now we will mix the foxglove makhani. You can see the consistency. If you required more water, you can add more. Now we will cover it with the lid and we'll keep it on the flame till the 1 whistle gets. So now we'll switch on the flame for making our aloe vera naan. So we will take the dough which we have kneaded. Now we will make the ball of the dough. As we have added aloe vera, the key ingredient of our dish, because it is rich in vitamins and it is an antioxidant. It also helps in fighting and curing breast cancer. So it has many health benefits. So now we have made the 2 balls. So now we will roll it down with the help of rolling pin. So first we will clean our counter. And then we will sprinkle some wheat flour on the base. And then we will start rolling down our aloe vera naan. After rolling this much, then we will apply desi ghee in between. With the help of a hand, we will spread it like this. And now we will fold it. So now we roll it down. After rolling down, we will fold it like this. Now we will roll it down again, as it will give the shape of the naan to it. So we have rolled it down all the balls like this only. So now we will place it in the pressure cooker. So now we will tilt the pressure cooker like this. We have to set it down very carefully. So now we will take one aloe vera naan and we will take water in a bowl. So now we will apply water on our naan so that it doesn't get stick while cooking. So now we have applied the water. So now we will place the naan in the cooker. Similarly, we will apply all naan like this only. Now we have applied all the 4 naan like this. Now we will tilt the flame, tilt the pressure cooker like this on a high flame. We will put the flame on high and we'll let it cook. Meanwhile, our naan is getting cooked. We will open the pressure cooker. You can see the foxtail makhani is ready now. Now we will see our naan is cooked or not. Now we will check our naan. We will taste it. You can see that now our naan have been cooked. So now we will take them out. So now we will take them out with the help of a tong. You can see. Now we will similarly take out all the naans like this only. So now we will apply the ghee on all the 4 aloe vera naans. You can see how so soft and crispy. So now our naan is ready. So we will do the plating. So now our dish is ready. Aloe vera naan with nut makhani and beetroot sauce. So soft and crispy. So now our naan is ready. So we will do the plating. So now our dish is ready. Aloe vera naan with foxnut makhani and beetroot sauce.